Do you like ideas for a fast lunch? I do. I'm always looking for something fast and easy, and also to use up what I have in the refrigerator. I have some pulled pork that I made a couple of days ago. And one dish that my son loves to make is nachos. He can put almost anything together on a nacho and it's delicious. So I'm stealing his recipe today. He won't mind. Okay. I have some tortilla shells. There's really not going to be amounts given on this. It's just how much you have and how hungry you are. Okay. That looks like a good serving for one person. What do you think? Now, I'm going to put some of the pork on there. You can use any shredded meat, guys, that you have. Try to spread it out a little. I just want to stick to my tongs, but hey, that's real life. My favorite on camera thing to say, I think. I think that's good. Okay. And I have some just queso cheese dip, whatever brand you happen to have. This one I think come from Great Value, so we all know where that came from. We'll spread that over here. There's not much left in the jar, guys, so we'll just clean the jar out. Now we're going to throw some salsa. Also Great Value, guys. Guess what? I shop at Walmart. Throw some salsa on there. What would you guys do? That much left. Tell you what I'm going to do. And that's 2 jars emptied up in the refrigerator. Put some cheese on top, some shredded cheese. About that much. Just give it a good cover. This is the Fiesta blend cheese. You can use Mexican blend. You can use taco cheese. You could use just a plain cheddar cheese. It doesn't matter, whatever kind of cheese you like. Okay. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake this 10 to 12 minutes. Or until my cheese melts. Okay, the timer just went off on our nachos, so let me get them out. Oh my goodness gracious. Tell me that looks amazing, guys. I love this stuff. Oh, well, that one don't have any meat on it. It's a fun one. It's got some meat on there. There we go. Have you ever heard the expression, "That's so good it'll make your tongue slap your brains out"? If not, then that's first. But this is amazing, guys. Made from leftover meat, a handful of chips, salsa cheese, and cheese sauce. Gotta give it a try. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Do you want